I would be the one to get concealer in my hair, so that's what's happening right now. I'm just going to start off with this SmashBox. This is their Photo Finish Primer Water. I love this because it's alcohol-free, oil-free, and silicone-free. And this is a great primer if you have dry skin like myself. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray this onto the face. I personally like to drench myself in this because I have super dry skin. But as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows done. I'll list down in the description box what I used for my brows. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to just try to make this as fast as I possibly can so this video doesn't go on for too long. But if you also see me looking this way to my left and probably your right, it's because I have a mirror right here. So I'm going to try and look at you guys at the same time. But if you see me mainly looking over here, I just wanted to do like a chill chit chat, you know, like get ready, no makeup look without using foundation. So that's how it's gonna be for this video. So anyways, I already sprayed, like I said, the SmashBox primer water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my skin and my complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Flower Beauty. This is their Light Illusion Concealer. I personally love this concealer so much. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my skin today instead of underneath my eyes. And as you can tell, my skin is still freaking out, but it's okay. I'm trying to get it back to normal. Also, I'm almost done with school, which is going to be so exciting. Well, not completely done, but done until summertime. And then I'll go back in fall. But yeah, I'm super excited for it to be summertime. I just planned a trip to go to Palm Springs, which is super exciting. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this everywhere that I have little spots, which is basically my whole entire face. But I'm gonna go ahead and just actually blend it out with clean hands. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pat. And this is how simple I am making this look. I'm not even gonna be using a sponge for this video. I will be using a brush for underneath my eyes, but if I wasn't filming this, I would do this super fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and just pat that into the skin. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade number 10. I will also leave all the products that I'm using in the description box down below. So if I'm talking too fast or you didn't catch it, just check the little description drop down bar. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit or a lot of it of this concealer. And I'm going to go in with one of my favorite concealer brushes lately. This is the Morphe Y10. It is amazing. I love it so much. And it just easily blends out the under eye concealer without leaving any streaks, which is what I personally love. Alright, so now that we have finished mainly the complexion, as in like concealer and blending everything out, I'm going to go ahead and I know I said in the beginning that we weren't going to be using a foundation, but what I meant is that we're not going to be using a liquid foundation, so something heavy and cakey. So I am going to be using a powder foundation. I don't want to blind you. This is the one from Maybelline. This is their Super Stay Better Skin powder foundation. I get mine in the shade 10, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it on this e.l.f. powder brush. Of course, there's a piece of hair. I feel like I find hair on everything. Am I the only one? Comment down below if you find hair all over your stuff all the time. It's so disgusting. Like, my worst nightmare is just like a pile of hair. Anyways, but yeah, so powder brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tap that in here. And I'm just gonna use this powder to set all of everything, is what I was trying to say. Just kind of set everything in place. These do come in colors, so make sure that you get remotely close to your same skin tone shade. Again, I get mine in the shade 10, so if you're anywhere near my shade, maybe 10 will work for you. But this no makeup look is not supposed to look full coverage. It's just supposed to hide any imperfections with more of a sheer to medium coverage, depending on how much you put on. You guys have seen this in multiple videos. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I get mine in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronzer. And I'm using my favorite bronzing brush. This is the Morphe M523. I love this brush. So if you don't have it, you must get it. Also, if the lighting changes in this video, I opened up my blinds, so I'm using natural lighting and my ring light. So just keep in mind if it starts to go like in and out of different colors. I wanted this just to be more of a laid back, chill video. Like not super over edited, not a bunch of lights, just like really relaxing. Like as if you guys were sitting right in front of me and we were doing makeup together. So if you guys like this more type of chill atmosphere for videos, or at least for a couple of them, let me know, because I enjoy doing this. It was super fast to set up. But it is super cloudy over here in California. So we're not getting too much sunshine today, which is annoying. Of course, on my only day off, there's not a bunch of sunshine, but it's okay. So as you can tell, I'm just kind of applying the bronzer around my cheeks right here, temples. I'm just kind of being messy with it because I really, again, don't want it to look like I have a lot of makeup on. And once we spray our face, all these powders will set as well, so it won't look like we have a bunch of powder on the face either. My next favorite steps is to curl the eyelashes and add some mascara. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. I'm just using the Sephora collection eyelash curler. It's super cute. It's like this rosy gold, has the little pink rubber on it. But I like to curl my lashes at least 1 to 2 times just to really get them lifted and full looking. And now let's go in with, of course, you guys have heard me talk about this so many times. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I love this mascara so much. Also, today we're not going to be adding any eyeshadow. Again, I want to keep this like a no makeup look. You can, if you want to add some type of shadow up here, is to put the Physicians Formula bronzer or any bronzer that you're using into your crease. So it does kind of look monochromatic, but I'm just kind of keeping it simple with no eyeshadow. Generous amount of mascara because I really want my eyes, even though I have really big eyes, to look awake and open. So I applied 2 to 3 coats of mascara. And now for my all-time favorite part of this whole entire look, other than the lip, because I'm super excited to do more of a bold lip, but this is my not first, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm saying. This is my all-time favorite part of this look, and it's applying highlighter, because even though we're doing a no makeup look, I still want to look dewy, fresh, hydrated, and you can look that way with moisturizer and stuff, but I really love using highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and use, this is the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. So it's called Champagne Pop, but Jaclyn Hill collaborated with Becca to create this particular shade. So I'm going to go ahead and take it on a Morphe M501 brush, a really good highlighting brush, and I'm just going to highlight the heck out of my face because I just love highlighter so much. But you mainly want to keep it on this area right here. So right on the upper cheekbone. Some people just like to leave it right here. I like to take it all the way back. I also like to apply it on my chin. I wish I could just douse myself in highlighter because I just love it so much. Now, this is the last step before we finish off with lips, but this I feel like kind of creates the whole overall look, and this is the NYX Dewy Finish Mist. I love this stuff. It's like a setting spray. You can apply this before your makeup too if you don't want to go in with the SmashBox primer water. This will basically do the same thing, hydrate, make the skin look dewy with the makeup over top. So if you just want to kind of stick to one product with the sprays, you definitely can do that, but this is just going to help morph all of the powders together so they just look seamless on the skin, and it's really going to help our highlight pop even more. So I always like to shake it up first to get all the ingredients mixed in together. So the last thing that I already did, and as you can tell, it adds a very bold lip. And I added the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Mauve. I love this one. I just picked this up at NYX, and I also got my mom one too. And this lip color also stood out to me at NYX. It's their soft matte lip cream in the shade Rome. It's so pretty, so I love this two combo together. It adds just that pop of color without being too bright or too dark, and it just, I don't know, it's like kind of my perfect lip color. I love this lip color so much. And the last thing, I never really show you guys what I do to my hair because I really don't do too much. I put it in braids last night, so that's why it's wavy. But I just picked up this Chi Magnifying Volume Finishing Spray. It was literally $2.99 at TJ Maxx. So if you guys are looking for some hair care products, I also got shampoo and conditioner at TJ Maxx, and they were each $10 for like these huge bottles. So what I'm going to do, because I put my hair in braids and it's a little wavy, I'm going to go ahead and just spray some of this volumizing spray into the roots of my hair. And this is just going to make the look a little bit more fun, volumized. And because we don't have too much makeup on, our hair can be a little bit more voluminous too. Okay everyone, so that pretty much finishes up the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the no makeup look. I try to keep it as simple as possible with as most minimal products and everything like that. So again, I will have all the products listed down in the description box down below. Also, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up since it does help out my channel a lot. And please also hit the big subscribe button and the little notification bell on the side. That'll notify you when all my new videos do come up. I kind of am liking this whole chill atmosphere, so if you guys like it too, please let me know. I do want to kind of switch back and forth to this and also my chair setup with my little bit of my background, not a backdrop, but background. So other than that, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!